Good day, sir. Today, we will discuss the investigation process mapping about anti-illegal drugs. First, I will discuss the intelligence gathering. Intelligence gathering initiates the anti-illegal drug investigation process in the Philippines, primarily through tips from informants, community reports, or surveillance. The Philippine National Police or PNP and Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or the PDEA receive and log these reports confidentially, with PDEA as the lead agency under RA 9165. Validation occurs via background check, test buys, and casing to confirm suspect identity, location, and drug possession without alerting targets. PNP's Anti-Illegal Drug Group or AIDG supports by cross-referencing data with national databases. This stage builds probable cause essential for warrants, emphasizing human rights compliance like witness protection. Good intelligence relies on maps, suspect profiles, and terrain analysis for operational safety, and spot reports are generated to document initial findings for case development.
Case build-up and validation following intelligence. Case build-up strengthens evidence through sustained surveillance and undercover operations. PDEA or the Philippine Drug Enforcement Administration verifies tips via its Intelligence and Investigation Service, while the PNP or the Philippine National Police conducts test buys to confirm drug authenticity. Photographs of clandestine labs or precursors are taken discreetly. This phase identifies high-profile targets like multinational networks, requiring the Philippine National Police Anti-Drug Special Operations Task Force evaluation. Procedural linkage ensures coordination with PNP units needing PDEA deputation. Risks are assessed, including suspect resistance, to prepare contingencies. Validation culminates in a development report linking intelligence to actionable probable cause.
Operation planning. Operation planning or co-plan follows validated intelligence involving team assembly and briefing. PDEA leads in acquiring search warrants under Rule 126 of the Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure, with PNP providing operational support. Roles are assigned team leader, buyer, investigator and case, and backup security. Risk assessments cover terrain, population, and equipment needs like K9 units. All high-profile cases submit co-plan to PNP aid staff for approval. Coordination prevents overlaps, adhering to RA 10640 amendments. This stage links prior intelligence to execution via detailed sketches and profiles.
Operation Execution. Execution encompasses surveillance leading to actions like buy-bust operations or raids. Teams deploy with pursuer buyers, confirming transactions, followed by arrests and seizures. Rights are read per RA 7438 and Miranda warnings, ensuring anti-torture compliance under RA 9745. A seizing officer handles initial evidence custody during negation operations. Preliminary tests with kits identify substances on site. PNP executes under PDEA supervision, minimizing danger to personnel. Linkage from planning ensures seamless transitions with real-time adjustment for contingencies.
Evidence handling and chain of custody post-seizure. Evidence undergoes immediate marking, inventory, and photography in the presence of witnesses, media, and Department of Justice representatives per Republic Act No. 9165, Section 21. The seizing officer documents details like substance description and test results, then turns it over to the investigator with receipts. Items proceed to PDEA forensic labs for qualitative examination via a formal request. Chain of custody maintains integrity through logs at each turnover phase. Containers with traces are treated as evidence. Strict protocols prevent tampering, linking to court admissibility. This stage bridges execution to prosecution.
Post-operation procedures. Post-operation involves suspect processing, filing charges, and reporting within 24 hours to PDEA. After operation, reports update progress with evidence lab results provided to prosecutors. Suspects receive custody updates and informants get feedback if opted in. PNP submits to AIDSOF, ensuring BADAC community involvement. Cases are monitored via PNP's drug-related systems. Legal compliance closes to the loop from intelligence to conviction. This final stage evaluates operation success and informs future intelligence.